I always love when people ask me what I do, because I like to say we build the things that come and help you in your time of need. That is huge, and it's something that we take very seriously. So I'm Chad Newsome from PL Custom Emergency Vehicles. I'm the National Sales Manager for the company. PL Custom started in 1946. We are still an independently owned company. We have over 26% of our employees have been here for 25 or more years, which is a huge benefit for us in terms of longevity and continuity in our operations. Inherent in the name PL Custom, custom. It's not just our middle name, it is our middle name. We start with a frame. The frame is the structure. It is the framework upon which we build our home. It is an unbelievably strong structure. Then we come in and we add the skin and the painting, cleaning. I mean, there's a whole process with that. Every one of those compartments are made in-house. Every one of the trucks are painted in-house. Then when we're done, then we're going to outfit the truck. And when I say outfit, we're making the cabinets in-house. We're installing those cabinets. So it's not like we're just an assembler. We're creating and building. This is truly something that yields an incredible benefit, and it's also really fun to start with a blank sheet of paper and go, what do you want to do? And then down the road, now you're taking delivery of this new piece of apparatus, and it's really exciting. You know? A couple years ago, I was at the EMS Today show when we were down in Tampa Bay. I met up with the folks from TOMAR. I love the family aspect with TOMAR, and that is very much a strong undercurrent here at PL Custom. Coming out of that initial meeting at EMS Today, I called TOMAR and said, hey, what do you say we do a truck together? I like the functionality of these lights. So the fact that we can not only have multi-colors, but multi-function and multiple colors. So you're not just locked in with one look. You're not just locked in with one feature. That has really been something that we're hearing from customers saying, boy, this is really cool. The side lights, the ones over the rear wheels, I think it's great. I mean, it lights up that area right around there. Then the scene lighting really works well together. You know, this is our 76th year of operation. Still family run, still independently owned. We don't have desires to be in all 50 states. We like that when someone comes to our factory, they're treated differently. They're special. We're happy to have them there. If you're coming to the factory, guess what? You're going to meet ownership. You're going to meet members of the leadership team. That, I think, is something you can't put a dollar sign on.